Kain tayo guys. May shrimp, tinolang isda, tinolang makarel, tapos may toyo at saka toyo patis. Kain tayo guys. Guys, alam niyo ba kung paano magpadami ng subscribers? Basura guys, eh. Ang hirap. It is so hard to get more subscribers. Paano ba guys? Pwede turuan niya ako guys. Kung sinong makanood ng video ko, pwede turuan niya ako please. Or subscribe my YouTube channel. I need more subscriber guys. I just started YouTube. I need more subscriber. Please subscribe my channel, my YouTube channel. Para maka-live ako sa YouTube guys. Kaso subscriber ko only 35. I only have 35 subscribers. I need a lot. I need a lot more. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe po, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please help me. Thank you po. Bye. See you on my next videos. Bye. Thank you.